What Will Fat Cat Sit On? By Jan Thomas. What will Fat Cat sit on? Will Fat Cat sit on the cow? Moo? No, Fat Cat will not sit on the cow. Yee-haw! Will Fat Cat sit on the chicken? Cluck? Sit on the pig! Sit on the pig! Oink? No, Fat Cat will not sit on the chicken or the pig. Yippee! Will Fat Cat sit on the dog? Grrr. No, Fat Cat will not sit on the dog. Okay, so Fat Cat will not sit on the cow or the chicken or the pig or the dog. Then what will Fat Cat sit on? Eep! Perhaps he could sit on the chair? The chair! Of course! Now, what will Fat Cat have for lunch? Lunch?